If you just got your dbrand minimal phone skin, relax, this is going to be easy. First, wipe your device free of dust and fingerprints. For optimal results, ensure you are under bright lighting. Note that your dbrand skin comes with a microfiber cloth to help smooth down the edges. Let's get started. To begin, remove the skin from the 3M paper and reattach as shown. Align the skin around the camera and flash cutouts, ensuring that the skin is perfectly straight along all exposed edges. If the edges aren't straight, gently remove the skin and try again. Once the skin's in the correct position, apply pressure to secure the skin in place. You may now remove the 3M paper entirely and smooth out the back surface. At this point, you may be noticing a sharp edge around the border of your device. Let's take a moment to smooth it down. Grab your microfiber cloth and rub each edge 10 to 15 times. This friction will smooth down the edges, making the skin feel like it's melting into the phone. Done. If you have any questions, you know how to reach us.